informed, and as all of us are aware that the dome portion of the newly constructed assembly building has collapsed on Sunday morning at 12:30. And I'm very upset and very disappointed and very, what to say, it's just a big blow on my mind, and I never expected that this kind of incident has taken place. And I was told, and there's so many photographs and all, that the entire dome portion has slid down from the top, and it has hit the main mandap floor, and where it has gone beyond that also, right up to the ground floor. Now there are two things which I would like to mention here as far as my understanding is concerned, that there are two reasons. Either it may be designing errors or construction errors. These are the two factors which I feel. Okay. But however, I have decided that I have spoken to the Chief Minister, and I've called him. He had called me this morning. I discussed with him about this, and I had requested him to be there on the site tomorrow for a physical inspection to see what exactly the damage was and to what extent the damage has taken place. And the second part, I have called the engineers today, and along with the consultant from Delhi, along with the contractors, they've been trying to explain to me to some extent, and though I was not satisfied, because from their end also it appears that a lot of debris have been accumulated in the central hall, in that hall where the dome portion fell. So it's they will not be able to tell us right now what went wrong to it. There may be some sort of assumptions, okay, but talking in terms of assumption will be wrong as far as anything is concerned. You can't just assume or presume someone that is like this or like that, as like what appeared in the social media. So many kind of negative things which has come out, that's really very unpleasant for me. But anyway, that's part of the thing that we want to do. I cannot stop that. But deep inside, I was very, very disappointed. And tomorrow, we will go to the site and see physically what went wrong to it. And thereafter, we will have a meeting of the High Power Committee. And I've called the main consultant, guy from Delhi, has just landed today because of the delayed of flight. And he will be joining us tomorrow to assess the damage and the reasons of the dome portion which fell down. So as of now, that is one. But what I would like to convey, that personally I feel that there has to be an independent inquiry which will know the root cause of this collapse. And second part of it is that there has to be a third-party audit team, okay, which will be constituted to ensure that they do the audit thoroughly, that both the wings which were not damaged at all, whether those also have been affected or not. So that only I can tell you right now.
Well,
Ngamdan ay got a complaint ba nakalang contractor unsung ang i-reven ka. Kata ka siyang step engineer unjubab kata kayo. Lalo dong kata lalim niya to ini. Nani kamdan ay ang kata ka jinta tinna ba nang ay ano kata.
Aga jinta ya kemudian kidon kumbaga nutuli company kiba involved ni kiba don lang bat kung ki nutuli kita sub contractor ba kiba.
Batay ya begitu tentang tu bayu menampak UP. Ketua UP untuk company. Kata kalau nak kalian perlu di department, bahkan pet menonton. Madai maki kibala kata. Nanggalin jangan ngam orang orang. Nah, petang ke construction ke depa ayu ke baru mulai ke jo mensuala bed ia ke design ia ke drawing nadang sedang dak IIT Roorkee. Te ninum simshu dak IIT Roorkee, ngaban sim IIT Guwahati, IIT Delhi or whatever it is. Lakin pet gitu. Nya pet le sai bat halor ka jing ai jingut jong ki babon balang maka ikalai ba.
Pwede ni hindi ba yung kambiang kita ka design. Kung kajing ito
Ngam si mau maka kambiang ka design.
ang kita na
No ngakamong ka design. Please don't put what into my mouth. That is very wrong. Don't carry out this news. Pengong either it can be design or construction. These two reasons only. Well, don't put things like that in my mouth like that. Yung mga nung kamong eram mga.
Okay, English. Kalau patron kita kajing guna kita ka design. Mungkin bakat punya tu engineer ba design ni kita ka IIT Rupi. Kawai na ki IIT Nopal kata kani rukan sawan lang ni am sani pat ban pensisai.
Hado bang nalalap ya ka findings kata ni selap ano lo kata. Nung mga ano kita. Nakata.
Okay, in English.
Ngan ko. Ngan hon hado bala da ka third audit kana ai ka report ki.
Available in the dome. Nung tibong ni kai. Kalau kita gaji apa tu di keren apa kahai power committee mencuba. Lalu kalau kahai power committee aku itu nama desain. Menonton yang dome marah kalau kia sebab kalau kedisian yang kita.
Kata tengam tip dah bola bicara.
Mungkin nak yang dong.
Nama baro ki lelut nak PWD building. Nado ka monitoring baro nadong sedong ki lebe nak PWD building. Tengah try baro ki nong po. Kanu ba ki layo. Metang ka dor ba ki tender telah makla ka disis pa ar punyo kurorom pa.
Kajing dulu apa nak kajing hak nak jom ka dom karno kajing dulu.
Ang palaman asas tate.
Ba. Hot kajing film yang tiga dome kemudian nampak kaki Jumai.
Along kata ka ba kat beatip tu kemudian kuwar ngoi benda. Ti ia kan ni suun ong ma nak kan jungaru ngalai keren bat udu consultant buat design ni kata structure. Long usia kan tu, ngong try bahkan ni ke building villa penting kenapa? Kala ban yang wala ada wan ujumai, mu. Te nak kalian ju, kalian liwang kata lele te kalau mahmat te kalau kejenglengo kalau mentah balai bah kalian don jumai elu kaham. Kata kalau macam ni.
Sebab mbak asutu maka tu kajing kalian kedun atau mbak makawit mbak kelakhiang lah. Tu kami mbak kami sok-sok yang ngadu lalu kelam gagal.
Kata ngong soal itu. Nganom la kalau very premature yang ngamangan orang itu. Either design or construction. These two things only. Minum pala banang light begini third party audit team in done given one but ban investigate ya ka daw jong ka jihad.
So mencuba
Tentang kajingkali ba kibre bu kalau kibo ini kajingkali ba balai la eyes of contract ya ka company ko bala sha reject ba le ikali la tanda.
Ketu kadin po na kalian juga Police Department bagi khot ka tender to ko. So they have the tender committee. They followed all the things.
So will you raise this particular issue tomorrow in the high power?
Well, kata kalau gua pia ong tu ini keren ni kata ro tu.
Tu tanda nak macam blacklist ya tu company pak.
Kata ngalong panlaban ong kay kada. Pada ong mentak kamu ngala ada rai bangan blacklist utat kami hap.
mencuba ki orang baka coba hadu jom ke
Detail mentang. Pana kalian number 1 in find out ke kedaw. Keba R kandan ke third party audit. Keban audit ia ke structure kebala dep tray. Left wing, right wing bat ke central hall. Bangin page ia ke central hall. La kalong fit na banang sna dia kaju. Ya kajing sna kan ya sekamat. Tama suaban sna dia penting kena bakalong safe. Ngaku aban ong ruang ni kendiat. Donbok mo and God at least lakung kamde benja tama kaja ka po minmit kat arsitek wala kaja ko mensni ka po badang tray kamut kanumut yimek beliau ki ban mensaw lani ka ika banja kalau kay ka subsi pa katar orang kawai lani subu la la chai hadin abot la da han oba shong session shong house ang tu la ka jakum ka tu kublo kan mo ke kalau wasusi la ta
Teso manu ban bakli ini kan jujula.
yang kata ni pat la ban rai yang lawan fi yang late but investigated but kalong very premature yang kalong ka ba kaban bakla yang ala dang asim no karai mentahi ba utau long bakla kamu there's no point man let say for you don't come man let you say side don't come to hiru ban bu third party audit dan don't come to ban investigate tan ba ngin hap ban wat ya ka daw tenrai jong ka jing hap jong ka nika dum kabamot kandan ka kunhon tokit lada kalong da kadung ko bodiru ka bangin lap ya ka jing sisa kata kalong ka bangin hap ban tang ba han hap man bu ikani hapo ka HPC le sai ha ka bangin sa ai ka briefing ki members ki member hang tu ba kinyo mani pakat lo kanya ka kalong
apa ni dah di kedau ni yang kau ini kerja berkelas jom kita kerja penuan dur kerja design bah apa kerja dunan kerja kontraktor kalau bukan di poi serta bang ayat kata
kalong witang kita kidaw non daw sudah mu
yang kai bawa penolong
nama bakam don earthquake don ARM ka building ka design antai ka kum kajing sutu jonga kajing tip jonga kum ulema namde technical nama kata ke building kalong highly technical kamu mde itu mususina ye kalau don ka technical kamu kajing nang jing tip jong kibrio ki ba design ni kata kalong highly kalong pha jong ma kum kani ke kerja structure ka ban sina da ke dome kam dei suka structure ka ba malumala ka ban suete kat bamon kamu dan kami highly technical kamu buat engineer bomul malar unumla ban sungtu lum dei hi engineer ba smart ba kam sempang haka beli bak kajing trai ke kajing tua jong katu kan tang kita kidaw ndon daw su ngoi lada ong bula don juma entele kata tengam tit tamam don hi ke bakum kata ban don ke report kajing yo ihi katum kajing ha jong katu kalong ba katu ko dum barok we ga wan ha be apo te la sai bistab ikan ipet dalam jong kemat bat ki detail ba ki ge ibu khai ki long komta kadang kamu bangapun kut hang ni kami kalong kajing sngo jonga ke bangai sngo tu ba kindon tang atli te tang kita atli kawai design kumno ban senang ba kawai kan nang construction tang kata kita
Sahadin ga jiklan ga dome.
There is queries raised. That time we give the IC to them.
kalong ke ba pan pau ye ka jing sosi ke bakrao halor ka jing ja jong ka jing tei ye ka Dome Assembly building hatai po Mawdiang-diang la yo jing tip ba ka jing ja jong ka jing tua jong ka ni ka dome portion ka bomot ka badai jong ka tu ka central wing kala hap no aka si blame mid kat arsteng AA but ka jing ja ka long ka ba pelungo sibon hadu kata but hadin ba yo ka jing ja ayo tip ba ka jing tua jong ka ni ka dom kelalong ka ba ba ka jing jot jong ka ro kelalong ka ba he adin ka ni la contact wood ya ki engineer ki officer ki badai jong ka PUD department jong ka building section ki badai pet ki badai ban jungo ya ka construction hang tai po ka assembly Thymmai but mena hi kira le ya ka banjungo ya ka site chatai haka ba ngala pentip ru ya u consultant nang dai contractor halor kini kiki but namal ka jing pamla ban poi jong consultant haka por ka babiang lo po Islam tanjan mit namal ka jing delay jong ki flight na do Delhi simlala banit lang bat ki chatai de nakaliang jong ka ki officer jong ka PUD building kila leit ban jong ya ka tambah ki 4 la manlap ya kenu ka daw jong ka jing hap jong ka ni ka dom te don atli hang ni ki ba ni ban page bat chwa kata na kalian jonga la shai min sap labu ya ka banit ban jungo daladi ban inspect daladi ya ka jingjot bat ka jing long jong ka ni ka jing tua min sap khatwei beji support site ban ngala pentip ru yo chief minister ban yedon kat bat ya ki member bakit khot jong ka high power committee jong kanika building ke bakil sedang na dok to por ke banin ko bala initiate speaker ha to por ha ka banjidon kat la shai na ka bentaka jingli jungo jong ya kanika jing hab jong ka dom la khot langru ye ki officer ki bade pe ya katai kat kontraktor bat kumjuru ya consultant upadere ya ke designing jong ke construction te hak bamenta hi nga susngo na kalen jonga ba don tang atli ige kawai kala bandon ke jimbakla na kaliang jong ke ba design ya ke construction bat kawai pat kalong kala bandon ke jingduna na kaliang kontraktor hak kawai pat construction dia hak ba design kalong mana kaliang jong design associate consultant ubalet mau nahap ban diklik la kadon ke jingduna hanta wana kaliang ke construction part kalong na kaliang kontraktor bat ki ba monitor di ba pet ya jing tray hangta ya po assembly de na kaliang jong ahi nga so ban ong ba wat ke HPC ka pat song sai inang simi ka rai susngo ba ngidon kam ya ka ba nginwat ya ka tulong jong ka daw ba manu ban haban simi ka jing kli halor kani ka jing tua jong kani ka dom ta kalong ka ba kmat ka ba ar pat hadin mangi ladap banwat ikini ki baro pat bangin beteng ya ka jing snai ya kani ka building de bandon ka third party audit hakabede bat structure ka baladap sna ka bakram jot bat ye kitu ki wing boro arkli ka mot ka left wing ka wing ba right wing rukumjo ti hadin kata in sala ban perkhat ka ipat baginan ya chakma